Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you if you have brother printer having a head problem like this. So in version compatible with this printer, but still some nozzles not printing properly. I have the method to how to fix this problem. I use in black and I got success. So I will make your video so you can also fix this problem in these printer. Use CISS 10 having holes right there. Okay, so you need a syringe and doesn't not to disassemble whole printer. I'm just showing you. I'm working on this printer, so let's start. First you need to tell this printer from test print. Wait a minute. So I add the sensor to bypass. Now head goes to left, remove this power cable, sorry. And now you need to a syringe. You can't see this type of syringe. So my printer have problem in blue is okay, yellow and magenta problem. Blue is after using printing automatically okay, but see yellow and magenta having a major problem, so I use this syringe to only work in these printers having CISS tanks. Make sure you using this original link or compatible link for these models. Insert a syringe in CISS air holes and place this head on left side. If you want to check if nozzles open not, so you can see this droplets of nozzle. Press it out. Don't over press it. Very little. Just you see going clean this. So turn on the left and that's all. And also on magenta. Very slowly. You can see this yellow place. This is yellowing. This is magenta. See. Now clean this out. First I clean this waste thing using a soft cloth, and now we will start printer by giving a power cable in it. Sorry, you need to clean first. Start head cleaning. Or so my display was black. So again power on again. and wait for it till cleaning is complete. So I pause this video. So cleaning is completed. Now again write command run test page. Hope it's working perfect. So little CISS from previous one. After you can printing some 50-30 pages on batch mode, result automatically clear because this printer is not using approximately 1 year, but ink is compatible. So I am using this printer across 30 pages and get a good result. But if you don't, I have another method. If printer is not working like that, 80% chance printer working, this cannot. So first test print, head move to left and turn off the printer. Use isopropyl alcohol IPA and some drops on ink parking, print head parking position pad, and turn on printer again. And now you see when this pad goes up, turn off the printer. Up position and turn off the printer and leave it approximately 2 hours and wait till, and again clean the head and start printing. I am 80% sure your printer will work perfectly because this printer is giving a blank page. I use this technique always in, especially in brother printer having CISS tanks. Okay people, if you want any doubt, please message me on my Instagram. Also follow me on Instagram, and if you like this video, please press like button, and you want more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.